So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at what you can do in case your phone battery has stopped charging all of a sudden. Now this is not to say that this is the complete solution, but in case your phone battery is not working properly, then this solution that I propose in this video may work. Please understand that this is different from the videos which I made about fast charging. In case your battery has gone down from fast to cable charging, one of the common issues that we have seen is the head of the charger cable. This charger cable, the head of it, it's not connected tightly onto the charger. If it's connected tightly onto the charger, then chances are that if they are working, then you will resume your fast charging features. Now let's look at, like, you have this charger, it's on the power cable, I mean it's put onto power, but somehow, like, when you are connecting this to the phone, it doesn't seem to charge. Case that's happening, maybe you are not even able to see this video on your device, but if you see on some other device, maybe this may kind of work. So let's kind of look at the solution. So this is basically a M51 that we have here, and we first need to go to the developer options. We need to turn it on. For doing that, what you do is you need to go to about phone, you need to head to software, and then you need to click on build number several times. So one step ahead, and you put in the pattern lock and the developer mode has been installed. Now when you go back, you will see that there will be a developer option. You need to click on that, and this is what it will bring. Just scroll down until you see default USB option. So like default USB configuration. Here, like, what you need to do is you need to click on charging phone only. So once you do that, and then, like, you put the charger thing here, this may work. Well, this is one of the options. Another thing that you need to do is, like, this is for Samsung phones. What you can do is you can go to, like, the settings. You can go to device care. Inside device care, you can go to battery, and you can go to charging. Now, depending on the phone that you have, this setting may be enabled. See, the idea here is, like, the setting is always turned on for all the Samsung sets. That's why, like, when you have a charger like this and you put it on the socket, provided, like, the charger supports, like, it is of the required capacity, it will give you the fast charging. But in case your charging has failed, what you can do is you can just turn this option off for a couple of hours, just wait, like, and then, like, try charging, and maybe it may work. And if you can, like, again, just turn it back on. If, like, you need fast charging, so you just turn it back on and just wait on for some time, and then put in this charger. But I do understand people who are watching this video may start cribbing that, dude, my phone is dead, how do I even do all this? So the idea here is to please understand that, like, you are watching this on different device, and hopefully you're, like, you are able to boot up your phone, and, like, once there's some kind of power booting up this device, you can do something of this mechanism. And just note, like, whether this thing, like this charger itself, is not dead. So I just hope that you can just change the chargers and just check whether the charger is not gone bad. And in case, like, I already repeated this, just see whether, like, this thing is properly fitted. Also, you may do one more thing, the power points which you see, so this point should be having the sufficient capacity to, like, power up your charger. Because even if you logically think about it, these are the only components. And, like, when we speak of chargers like this, you will understand that these are chargers which are meant for fast charging, or maybe even for charging. So, like, you can just replace this with a local product or something like that. If you do that, then there are always chances of that charger not working, or maybe your battery getting damaged. So for preventing that, always have original chargers. And because, like, fast charging means of a metered voltage and an ampere rating, so you can't just go ahead and put any damn charger on that. So you need a charger which can give you, like, certain voltage, certain amperes, 5 volt, 2 amp, or something like that. And for that, like, you need chargers like this. So, well, that's something insignificant for this tutorial. I just wanted to repeat the steps here. So what we did was we turned the developer mode on, then we went to the developer options. Inside developer options, we went to, like, default USB configuration. So once we reached there, what we did was we selected to charging phone only, and then the next thing that we did was we went to, like, device care, and inside device care we went to battery, and we suggested that in case like whatever the option it's turned on to, just do the other thing and wait for some time and then try charging whether it works. And like just assuming that the phone is not zeroed down, that is the phone doesn't have any juice in it, so it's assuming like the phone still has something in it and you are not able to see the charge thing like when you are putting the charger cable onto your phone. So hopefully this tips would work. So that's it guys. Well, if you think today's tutorial is helpful, you can kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Click on the bell icon for notifications. This was obviously to help you out. It's not that it's a fake solution or something. It may work depending on how well you implement the solution. At least the point here is to understand like what has happened wrong. Many devices I have seen, like it's Samsung and Redmi's, many times the screen blanks off and people think that it's not charging. So finally, like we have suggested quite few many solutions, and I hope that this channel will keep on providing such solutions so that your device, whatever it may be, will be like back to its optimum state. So in case you are facing some similar issue or something else, please let us know in the comment section, or let us know of a solution that you think may be helpful so that we can record that solution as well. Well, I would only request you to kindly help us by subscribing and sharing our work, and we would more or less like make more such tutorials so that you have a healthy time with your smartphone. Thank you so much. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.